Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove tag on Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the tagged icon at the right hand side and you'll see all your tagged photos here. Now tap on the image you want to remove tag from. If you tap on the small person icon on the image, you'll see all the persons who are tagged in this photo. Now to remove your tag, tap on three dots on top right corner. Then tap on Tag Options. Now tap on Remove Me from Post and it will remove your tag. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.